Hi everybody, and welcome to True Want. So here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you once with that I just uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, there is that thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. Supposedly it's important on the YouTube platform, so I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right, a couple of things I just want to share with you. I'm really excited about this video. I got my first subscription box from Boxycharm, the base box, and I cannot wait to get this up to you guys as quickly as possible. I'm wearing on my face a bunch of drugstore products that I was testing out, and then this arrived today, and ironically it came in a plain box like you normally would get your add-ons, and inside was one of my add-ons with this box inside, so I didn't know that it was here, so that's why this is going up a little bit later in the day. But I will have a video hopefully in a couple of days that I'll be able to upload, because I am so impressed, and the prices that I paid for everything that's on my face except for my eyes, because I did use what was in here, I am so impressed with. So I will have, keep your eyes open for that video that will be in the future. I did get an email from Boxycharm, and I don't know if you guys did, and it really just came recently, and it just says that if I purchased from the March add-on stores, which I did, it says they've been working hard to improve your add-on experience and wanted to give you a heads up that my add-ons may ship with my base box. And they're saying, you know, for the environment and all that. To me, they're trying to do some things, you know, it's cost savings to make sure that they put it in the box. That's what Ipsy does. And I think they're learning from Ipsy. And I think Ipsy's learning certain things from Boxycharm. So it's a really great relationship that they have now. So they said you'll know on your tracking email, it will include an itemization where it will say add-on order, and I guess maybe some of the items. I only added one add-on in the whole add-on program this season because I was still waiting for something that I didn't get from Boxycharm, so I kind of was waiting to see if I would order it, and anyways, it ended up being that I never got shipped. They ended up crediting, and that's that. So I'll hopefully be able to get it in the next add-ons. So this one, I just want you guys to know that your add-on might end up showing up in your box. And my add-on that I got was the KVD brush. I think I ended up paying around $6 for this. I'll have to look it up, but really excited that this was available. I know some of the girls got in their boxes. I didn't. I couldn't wait to try a KVD brush, and this was the one that was available, so I grabbed it. And that's why I think it came in the brown box with this box inside of that. So it really exciting that I was able to get both. So this is the Boxycharm order. I will have linked down below in the description box all the items that I'm going to be talking to you with the pricing, as well as the total value and all that listed down below. But I just want to go through all the products with you and the little bit of that they tell us here. I thought when he was hinting that there were going to be some surprises in April, and he kept showing this theme, I thought maybe we would get like some treat in the box, but the treat is solely on the card, which is just scrumptious. So the first item that was in here that I did receive was a Natasha Denona palette, which I'm excited about. And I think I chose for one of my choice items, the one that was more colorful. So this, I know if you're going to get the Natasha Denona, the two sneak peeks they showed was one that had some pops of color, and then this neutral one. And I really wasn't sure how I was going to feel about this. So that's why when I was doing this face to test the makeup today, and then when this arrived, I decided to then change my eye makeup to put this one on so I can test it and tell you about it. And you know what? Do not be disappointed when you get this. It is really fantastic. So this one says it is a special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm, featuring 5 ultra pigmented neutral cool tone shades in a range of muted browns and a touch of a sparkling metal green, which is beautiful. And it says it is like a tourmaline. It's inspired by the Japanese meaning of AYA, meaning color and design. It's combined with Na, which is meaning is elegant, graceful, and delicate. It's a perfect everyday palette created for sophisticated classic looks as well as evening looks with a super glam finish. It's formulated with Natasha's signature blendable, user-friendly formulas at the highest quality and pure color payoffs, dazzling chroma crystals and pearls, and is suitable for every skin tone, cruelty-free, and it's $48 value. So this is what this is here, and I'm going to swatch this for you. And there really wasn't a lot of kick up. It was really, really beautiful. I did all over my eye with this first color. Then I did this as my transition shade. Then I darkened it up in the corner with this guy. And then I used this a little bit as a liner as well. And this is the one that they call the tourmaline. And it comes across like a silvery, it's really, really unique color. And then for the corner of my eyes, I added that little pop. So the name of this palette, they're saying, is this name here. And it is AYANA. And that's the one if you get this cool tone shades. So let's just do a little bit of swatching on the hand so you guys will see how beautiful these colors are. And you see the color payoff. It is just stunning. So initially I was like, I don't know, you know, cool tones, natural. I really hope I get the pop. And then I remembered that in my premium, because I get 2 bases here and 2 premiums, and then whatever duplicates I get, you know, that goes into that special pile for you guys. So this here, I was really, really impressed. And it is one that gives you that very smoky eye that you could do it a lot lighter for your daytime, but you can also amp it up for those evening looks. So really, really impressed with this. I thought I would be disappointed, you know, based on, you know, and I was not at all. So do not be, if you get this, play, because it is really, really beautiful. The next item in here, I think, was my choice item. And I have been impressed with this Touch of Soul. All of their primers that I have tried, I have really enjoyed. And this one is called their Icy Sherbert. And this is the container that it came in. And I still can't believe that I got this box so early. And I'm so excited that he moved the date of the choice to like the middle of the month. So hopefully majority of us will get our boxes so that by the time the choice comes, with it's usually, you know, lines up with add-ons or pop-up, whichever it is this month, we'll be able to know the items that we already got so that we don't end up choosing duplicates because we don't want to miss out. So that's why I'm excited that it's on the 19th of this, it's a Monday the 19th at 12 noon. So this one here is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. It says lock in your looks in place and keep them cool with this Icy Sherbet Primer. It is a gel primer that has an instant cooling effect. Once applied, that hydrates and preps our skin for makeup. The formula is silicone free, which is great. And it's with water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling icy, silky smooth. And this is a $32 value. And like I said, the jar is like a glass. It's just beautiful. I mean, the presentation alone is already there. And oh my God, look at this. It is just beautiful. And let's see what this feels like. It looks like a gel type of, really interesting. This definitely feels like a silicone type of primer, but they're saying it's not. Wow, really intrigued. And it has a light floral scent to it, but like a nice one. And then let's see what this feels like here. Yeah, very smoothing. And when you use, and the reason silicone primers were so popular, and it started with Smashbox when they did the silicone primer, and that's how I got introduced to it. What's beautiful about silicone primers is they make your skin like glass, like it just blurs and makes everything like this fantastic, the base is just like a flat, silky glass-like. But the problem with silicone primers, especially if you're a combo girl, they seep into your pores and they can cause, you know, some skin irritations on few. But the fact that you can get the feel of silicone and the look of it, and it being silicone free, fantastic. Really excited to try this. The next item that I got was from Dragun Beauty. And I've received this brand, and this is a very colorful, we'll say that, influencer. And she came out with these, her own line of products. But the one that we've had the opportunity to try previously in the box was the one that was that under eye peach, but her skin tone is a little bit darker than mine, and I found it to be very dark. I like more of that salmon color for the under eyes, but I still use it and it works beautifully. This is another color corrector, and this one is in the green formula. So the formulas on these are beautiful. And this one, like I said, this one is called Dragunfire. It is a color corrector that helps conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. It's saturated with vitamin E and a vitamin A. It blends effortlessly and offers customizable light to full coverage to make your makeup look even more flawless. Apply it anywhere you'd like to correct or neutralize, and blend with a flat concealer brush or the beauty sponge after it sets. Apply foundation as normal, and this is $25 value. Green is usually recommended from my memory of, you know, when the acne days, or you have red discoloration. Green seems to help camouflage that. So don't be afraid to play with color correctors, because once you blend them in, they're not as this pronounced, but when you put your foundation over, it helps camouflage any redness that would normally come through if that's your problem. So really, really happy to get that. The next item that we got is, it looks like an eyeliner, and it's from a new brand to me, and this one is called AURORA, and it's an intensely precise eyeliner, and it says it's an espresso. And it says, if you've been looking for a long-lasting smudge-proof eyeliner, then look no further. The AURORA Intensely Precise Eyeliner in Espresso gives you an all-natural matte finish that will last up to 24 hours. It's made with a German ink technology to ensure a flawless finish with the ultra fine felt tip. It is a naturally ink formula that's 100% free of alcohol, and yet it won't smudge. This is a gorgeous liner that provides a smooth, luminous look for any occasion, safe for sensitive eyes. And they're saying this is $11.99 is this suggested retail. And that's what the tip looks like here. And let's see what it feels like. So, oh, that's a beautiful, beautiful color. That is really unique. It looks like a mixture between like a mulberry burgundy and a brown. Really, really unique. And the tip is not overly flexible, but it's not hard either. So it really is you can really get a precise line with that. Really, really beautiful. Wow. Okay. And the last item, I was unsure. This is something that usually we would get like in a Luxe box. So I was surprised that this was in the base. This is a Manna Kadar Beauty Pluck It 2-piece tweezer set. It is time to say pluck it to bad brows. This tweezer set contains one slanted tweezer for precise plucking and one pointed tweezer to isolate a single hair in a large area. It has a long handle, provides more control, and this is an $18 value. So I have been using the same couple of tweezers for the longest time, from Tweezer Man, I think is the name of it, but this is really unique. One of them is one that I've never owned in my arsenal. It has that pointy tip to it, and then the other one has that slant. So intrigued by this, we'll definitely use it and try it. And I'm happy that this is, you know, in a base box. So they put some tools in the base box, which is really, really unique for me to have in a Boxycharm box. So I'm really, really excited about this box. Like I said, I've had the opportunity to try. To me, this is like $48 in an exclusive to Boxycharm in the base box, which I think is absolutely fantastic. I love the theme this month. I am so excited for April to, like I said, I'm going to be getting 2 base boxes and 2 premiums on my channel. So hopefully we'll get a little bit products that are more diverse than this box. But like I said, the fact that the add-ons is on the 19th, so mark it down, which is a Monday at 12 noon, when we get to do our choice items for your base, your premium, and I think it might be, no, it's not a Luxe month, the next month. So just your choices will be on the 19th, which is a Monday at 12 noon. And then right afterwards, they'll have those add-on sales. So whatever, hopefully we don't get in our boxes that we want, we're going to be able to get them at heavily, heavily discounted prices, which I have enjoyed so, so much. So once again, as always, if you've received your box already and we got similar items, or if you got anything different, or if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products, please share that in the comments down below. That's what we do here at True Wants, because we share with each other, and this channel is growing because of you guys. So I'm thanking you in advance again for liking, sharing, and spreading the word about my channel. It means a lot to me. And I always, always appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, during this time, I always like to end my videos that everybody, please continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.